Many people use Vectorworks in conjunction with other software packages. A broad range of file import and export options make it easy to share files with other CAD and modeling programs, as well as page layout and graphic software. DWG support provides compatibility with AutoCAD and other CAD packages. The Export Image File command can save in all common graphic formats and can also save directly to the Photoshop file format. EPS export is usually the best to use when providing Vectorworks drawings to a user of Illustrator. Many users create PDFs to send drawings to clients and for printing. Owners of a Vectorworks Design Series product have integrated PDF support for both import and export. No third-party applications are required. Macintosh users who have Vectorworks fundamentals can still create PDFs directly by using the built-in capabilities in OS X. Windows users who have Vectorworks fundamentals require a copy of Adobe Acrobat or other PDF creation software.